Once upon a time, the world was clean and green and the plants and animals lived happily. That is a myth, but one we like. The myth had many names in different cultures. The Western world called it the Garden of Eden. Then along came humans who spread around the world, controlled fire and invented tools, weapons, agriculture and civilization. The world started to change quickly. Species started to disappear. With the Industrial Revolution, change really accelerated. Fossil fuels enabled us to transform the world. As nature disappeared, we still loved nature, we worshipped nature and even protected nature for rich people to hunt in. But nature continued to disappear. Cultures became global and human population rose to 7 billion. So we need to get serious about saving nature. We know we are a part of nature. What happens to nature happens to us. We love nature. It's the basis of our art and culture, but we have become disconnected from it. We know that well-managed protected areas work to save nature. A global study of marine protected areas found that effectively managed areas had more large fish. The modern protected area movement has a long and proud tradition. From early models of government-run protected areas, we have seen an expansion to a great diversity of types of protected areas managed by local communities, Indigenous people and private individuals. But this has not been enough to stop the decline in nature. We have been trying to set conservation goals for saving nature, although history has shown that we have mostly failed to meet these goals in practice. Our latest attempt at goals is something called the Convention on Biological Diversity. It has a set of 20 targets to save nature. Target 11 is all about a comprehensive system of protected areas that are in the right places, are connected, well managed and actually work to conserve nature. And yes, we want this new goal by the year 2020. This is the biggest target yet. It is the target. It is why we are here to make it happen. Protected areas are the best ways to protect nature and provide benefit to people. If we use protected areas well, we can stay in the web of life too. Target 11 is a great first step and we really need to make it happen. But it's only a first step. We need to get out of setting political targets and move to nature-based targets so we can have a really sustainable relationship between nature and people. At this gathering, there are people who know about protected areas. We are people who love nature, who have experience in saving nature, who know science, and who know people. Let's be creative and set a new path for the world.